Dola is changing the way creators can work with AI. Let's stop talking about what Seedance 2.5 can do and actually see what happens when we put it through some real tests. To begin, let's keep things simple and generate a video using only a text prompt. Once the prompt is ready, I'll paste it into the prompt box, leave the rest of the settings as needed, and click Generate. After a short wait, the video is ready. Let's play it and see what Seedance 2.5 has created. The first thing you'll notice is how well the model understands the prompt and translates it into a visually coherent scene. The camera movement feels smooth and cinematic. The subject remains consistent from beginning to end, and the overall animation looks much more natural than what we've seen from many previous AI video models. Now, let's make things even more challenging for the model.
Commander, we're outnumbered 3-1. You still don't understand what Seedance 2.5 can...
Seedance 2.5 is now in Dola, and you can try it for free. With just one super simple prompt, you can create cinematic scenes like this. The action feels more realistic. Movement, lighting, camera shake. It also matches visuals to music better, so the video feels edited, not random. Key actions can hit the beat, making the whole scene feel more intense. It also handles reference consistency better. Engage the primary target. Engage Hola! The characters, scenes, and story you're seeing feel connected, right? Try Dola. It is free now.
And with free usage available, you can actually test these capabilities yourself before deciding if they fit your workflow. Overall, Dola is worth trying if you want a simpler way to experiment with the latest AI image and video generation models.